Welcome to the tech jungle of Africa, where billions exchange hands daily and you can find anything from the latest iPhones to gadgets you never knew existed. This is Computer Village Lagos. Hey everyone, welcome back to Job Life with Jaytea. How have you been? I hope you've been good. I hope you've been keeping it real. And I hope you've been chopping the life of your head. Okay? If you're new here, thank you. Thank you. And you make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any exciting content. Okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for always supporting this girl. Today, we are diving into the art of Lagos. Yes, Computer Village, where the tech world comes alive. Whether you are a gadget enthusiast or you're just curious about what makes this place tick, stay tuned because I have a lot to unpack for you today. So today, I'm going to be showing you where you can get the amazing gadget. You know when you go to Computer Village and they tell you, let me go and bring it inside our shop. I'm going to show you where our shop is. The places where they go inside to go bring all those phones. And they will tell you, you know what, just sit down here. So yeah, I was waiting for, I already have someone that I buy from. Can you see those places now? So we're just taking me to the store, the inside the Koro. They call it Koro, yeah. The Koro places where these guys go to the bigger stores to go and bring all these gadgets. Where they say this is their store. So I had to come out to show you. This is Choice Devices. I buy my device from Choice Devices. And there are a couple, have you seen there are a lot more of them? There are some upstairs as well. I couldn't go upstairs that day. So this is Choice Devices and this is where I get my gadgets from. So one of the guys that work at Choice Devices was actually the tour guide for me that day at Computer Village. So we went to the store where I got this microphone that I'm using right now to give you crisp and clear audio. No more background noise audio, very crisp and clear audio. And you can get all of your gadgets, you can get your headsets, you can get any gadgets you want in this place. They literally sell wholesale. This is where these aboki guys and those people that drive wheelbarrows, this is where they come to pick their stuff from, to buy from at all sales. So you saw the name of the store when I was entering. I had to show you. Then because I went there late, this is Samuel, our tour guide actually. So because I went there late that day, Computer Village had closed already. He wanted to take me to the store where you'd get all your pouch, anything, phone gadgets, your phone pouch and everything. But he said the store had closed, sadly. So I couldn't show you. But don't worry, when next I go to Computer Village, I'll ensure I do a video and show you. Now the next video I'm going to show you right now is where you get all your Samsung phones in wholesales. It's that story building you're looking at. I'm going to show you very clearly right now. It's where you get all your Faramount Plaza. So when you get to Computer Village, just locate UBA. Once you get to UBA, tell them you're going to Faramount Plaza. Faramount Plaza sells all the latest iPhones, all the latest laptops, and all the gadgets you want basically, and Samsungs as well. Go to Faramount Plaza. Then there's a very popular place in Computer Village called Spectrum. Spectrum is a very big, we are walking down towards it right now. It's one of the big places in Computer Village where you get all your phones. Spectrum is known for phones. So people go there. That's one of the biggest stores as well. That those boys go to go and pick phone and come and sell to you at their price rather. It is at Spectrum. And do you know the funny thing about Computer Village? Computer Village closes by 6 p.m. And if by 6 p.m. you do not shut your shop, that was what my tour guide was telling me here. If by 6 p.m. you do not close your shop, they have security people that walks around and they will use their own padlock to lock the shop for you. So that by the time you are ready, you come and use money to bail yourself out. Another funny thing about Computer Village is hearing about buying phones, and then by the time you buy the phone, it's phone. By the time you get back to your house, you see a bar. A bar is a swallow. It's a swallow, a solid food we eat right here in Nigeria and West Africa. Or you offer fufu inside the phone. So this is Spectrum. Spectrum is where you get original phones and you get them at wholesale price. You see, it's a very big building. It's a story building as well. So when you go for to places like this, you don't buy a bar or you don't buy a fufu. Okay. Then I realized in Comtably there's Konga store as well. So my tour guide was telling me, someone was telling me that there is a police station in Computer Village. So if you go to Computer Village, they store your phone or you have an issue to settle with someone that sold something that is not right to you. This is where they come to and they clear everything. Isn't that good? And I was asking him, does it work all the time? He was like, yes, works perfectly. That they resolve all their issues there for them. I'm like, okay, this is good. And actually, when we got to the front of the police station, you can see that there are a couple of people there standing. I'm sure they came to resolve their own issues as well. Right? So, yes, if you buy a bar, you can go and report. I just wanted to show you guys very well here what the police station looks like from coming in. So coming in, have you seen the police station? That's the MOL place. Maybe it's mobile police or something. I don't know what that even means, but yeah, that's the police station at Computer Village. So coming into Computer Village, you realize I came in from another side and I'm going out from another side right now. So there are two entrance, in fact more than two, so maybe like three or four entrance and exits to Computer Village, right? So it depends on where you're coming from. So as I was walking down, I saw this Slot Telecoms. It's also a big. If you are a Nigerian, you know what Slot Telecoms is. It's a big one of the biggest guys that sells phones as well in Computer Village. Okay, guys, so I really want to hear what your experience is like for you in Computer Village. Have you bought a bar before? Tell me in the comment section. Let's hear what your experience is. This is the other entrance. Thank you so much for watching. Ensure you subscribe and give the video a like.